Early Tesla vehicles can throw the warning saying battery fuse requires replacement soon. The battery fuse is a special device installed under or over the EV battery in a special compartment, and it mainly functions as the power cutting fuse for serious crashes and also significant power anomalies in the system. In newer vehicles, the fuse is eternal and will not require replacement, but the first model years of Tesla cars used a device with small lithium-ion batteries that inevitably go bad after 8 or 10 years of service. So at a certain point, you will get the message saying battery fuse requires replacement soon. It doesn't mean you need to rush to the dealership, but it's worth making an appointment. The problem is that this fuse is not a cheap thing. Also, Tesla will install the new type of fuse without additional batteries, so it won't require replacement in the future. And while the fuse is about $200, the labor may be surprisingly expensive. If the fuse is under the battery, it's just another $200 for labor. But if you need to drop the battery pack to replace it, things are quite bad. The labor will cost you up to $1,000 or even more, depending on the dealership. But still, driving like this for a long time is not an option, since the fuse will sooner or later cut the battery power and your car will just die in the middle of the road.